Okay, let's start the match. The grand final of this Zaman Trophy 2021 is going on in this ground here between Mask Mipri as well as Sahara BC Road. And we are very happy to see Mask Mipri in the final of this tournament. After a long time, Mask Mipri have been entered in the tournament final. They are been not even giving a single name for their teams since many years. But in this home ground, they have been reached to the final already. The final match is playing here between the neighbor teams like Sahara BC Road as well as Mask Mipri. So Mask Mipri lost the toes and they have been forced to bat first. Mr. Chimmy as well as Dharma are the openers. JP Kaltur with the ball. In comes to ball. 2 overs match. Final match is going to bowl. His time to bowl. Stamp slow delivery down the leg side region. So wide call by the umpire. Extra to the additional scorecard. So every sixes, the batsmen will get 500 rupees. It's time once again down the leg side. Wide call by the umpire. One more extra to the additional scorecard. 2 extras. JP Kaltur in comes to bowl over the wicket here for the big man, Mr. Jimmy from the side of Mask Mipri. The final match begins here once again. Stamp leg by signal by the umpire. So that was a very good comeback by the bowler, Mr. JP from the side of Sahara BC Road. 1 ball have been completed, 3 on the board, where 2 have been given in the form of extra in the wide call by the umpire. So the second time is over the stamp. Once again, same result. That is wide call by the main umpire, Mr. Ziyad Zaman Kalpara, one of the main experienced senior most player in this tournament. Comes to bowl. Stamp for the bigger one. Stamp, but the fielder is not able to carry it out. Chance of catch, but the fielder not able to carry it out. Single will be added to the additional scorecard. With that, single score moves up to 5 on the board after completion of 2 balls. 2 balls have been completed, 5 runs on the board. That was a very good fielding performance by the bowler. Let's see what he is going to do over the wicket. Keeper Shabdam Dakarade. So in comes to ball. Stamp time for the bigger one. So single to the additional scorecard. 3 balls have been completed, 6 on the board. 3 പന്ത് അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ 6 എന്ന നിലയിലാണ് സ്കോർ നിലയിൽ. 4ാമത്തെ പന്തുമായ JP Kaltur here for Mr. Dharma. In comes to ball. Stamp just away, playing down the offside region. There is a single more to the additional scorecard. With that, single score moves up to 7 on the board. 4 balls complete, 2 more to go to end the first first over of the first innings. From the side of Sahara BC Road, they are on the toes and decided to field first. JP in comes to bowl. Stamp down the leg side. Lucy one with that single wide call by the umpire. With that extra score moves up to 8 on the board. 8 runs on the board. The final match, the big match going on here between Mask Mipri as well as Sahara BC Road. Both the neighbor teams are playing against in this final of this Zaman Trophy 2021. Meanwhile, Shamim Kalpara as well as Dilu Kalpara, Ashraf Kalpara are sending their compliments for this final match. Stamp once again down the leg side. 1 more extra, 4th wide of this. Fifth wide of this over. The score moves to 9 on the board. 9 on the board, 4 balls completed, 9 on the board, 2 more to go to end the first over. Stamp try for the bigger one, just a single to the score. 10 on the board, 10 runs on the board, 1 more to go. 10 on the board, 1 more to go to end the first over. That is Mr. JP from the side of Sahara BC Road. Stamp, that is final ball have been charged by Mr. Dharma from the side of Mask Mipri. Dharma is a class player. Excellent piece of batting performance. Watching each and every balls and punishing when the moment comes for the batting side. With that huge six, score have been moved up to 16 on the board. 16 on the board after completion of first over here for the batting side without losing any wicket, playing sensibly, and they have scored a maximum in the last ball of the first over here for Mr. JP Kaltur from the side of Sahara BC Road. With that 6 from Mr. Dharma, the hard hitter from the side of the opening player from the side of Mas Mipri. The score have been moved up to 16 on the board. Now let's see the Khalil Khanum star, the very good all-rounder in comes to balls. Stamp pitching one, but not able to carry it out. With that single have been declared by the umpire. With that single score moves up to 17 on the board. 17. ഒരു ബോൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ 17 Second time over the wicket, Kalim comes to ball, Mr. Chemi. What a shot! What a shot! That was an AK-47 shot by Mr. Chemi. That was what a piece of batting performance. Chemi in a great form. One more 500 rupees here for Mr. Chemi from the side of Mas Mipri, sponsored by Mr. Hamid Mipri. Hamid Mipri, ആദ്യം ഓഫർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ധർമ്മയിലേക്ക് ഒരു 6ൽ 500 രൂപ കിട്ടിയ പോൾ വീട് സെക്കൻഡ് ഓവർ ചെമ്മിക്ക് വീണ്ടും ഒരു 500 രൂപ കിട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. വീണ്ടും ഒരു ഓഫ് സൈഡിൽ പോയ പന്ത് വൈഡ് എന്ന ഡിക്ലെയർ അമ്പയറുടെ ഭാഗത്ത് നിന്ന് വന്നപ്പോൾ ആ എക്സ്ട്രാ സ്കോർ നിലയിൽ 24 ഓൺ ദി ബോർഡ്. 24 എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നു. ഒരു 2 ബോൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ 24 എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നു. സെക്കൻഡ് ഓവർ മിസ്റ്റർ ഖലീൽ, the one of the finest all-rounder, in comes to ball over the wicket, running hard towards the stumps. In comes to ball the stump. What a piece of ball! That's excellent piece of very good comeback by the bowler Mr. Khalil from the side of Sahara BC Road. With that single, score moves up to 25 on the board. 3 more to go. 3 more to go to end the over, to end the innings from the side of Sahara BC Road. Khalil in comes to ball. 4 time is over the wicket. Here for the big man Mr. Chemi. Khalil to Chemi in comes to ball. 4 time is over. Step pitching. What a shot that is! But just a single will be added to the addition of scorecard. 26 on the board. Every sixes they will get 500 rupees. Already both the batsmen have hit a single sixes. What a shot! That could be yes! One more 6. Rupees 1000 in Mr. Chemi's pocket. Rupees 1000 rupees in Chemi's hand. Now one more to go. One more to go. അവസാന പന്തിൽ 6 അടിച്ചാൽ 1000 രൂപ. സ്കോർ മോസ്റ്റ് ടു 32. അവസാന പന്തിൽ 6 അടിച്ചാൽ 1000 രൂപ. സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു അമീദ് അതുപോലെ ഇർഷാദ് മീപ്രി. In comes to ball. Stamp. Just a single to the additional 33 on the board. അവസാനം 2 ഓവർ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ 33 on the board. 34 is the victory target. 34 is the victory target here for Sahara BC Road for being the champions of this Zaman Trophy 2021. Very good batting performance by Mr. Chemi as well as Mr. Dharma. Chemi hit 2 sixes and he will given a cash award of rupees 1000, as well as Dharma hit a single 6 and he will get a cash award of 500 rupees. Now the fine all-rounder Mr. Khalil as well as Abid, the big man for Sahara BC Road, dangerous player, are the openers, as well as the very good bowling as well as batting performance showed by Mr. Dharma will have the first over in the side of Mas Mipri. So Khalil will take strike and Abi will take a non-strike. Dharma will have the first over from the side of Sahara. Mas Mipri. 34 is the victory target. 34 is the victory target here for Sahara BC Road. Huge target have been put in front of Sahara BC Road. Dharma going to bowl the first ball of the second innings from the side of Mask Mabry. Round the wicket, in comes toward the right hand helicopter batsman Mr. Khalil with the orange cap is on strike. Let's see what Khalil is going to do with the bat. So far he has been not in a good touch. Let's see what he is going to do in this final match. 34 is the victory target. In comes to ball, first ball of the first over. Dharma to Mr. Khalil, right hand ball and what a ball! What a ball! Excellent piece of bowling performance. What a all-rounder is Mr. Dharma here showing in this mask ground for this Zaman Trophy 2021. Clean bowled Mr. Khalil. Middle wicket have been picked up by Mr. Dharma. What a piece of delivery. That was a rocket delivery by the bowler. So very first wicket have been gone. The big man Khalil Kandam Star walking back to the pavilion. Now the new man Mr. JP Kaltur. JP Kaltur will join the partner Mr. BC Road. The second time in his over. Dharma in comes to ball here for Mr. JP Kaltur. Both the fine players are in grace so far. In comes to ball round the wicket here for Mr. JP Kaltur. Stamp down the leg side region. Wide will be got extra, opens the account. One on the board. After comes now first delivery, they have been picked up a big wicket of Mr. Khalil Kandam Star. After that slight mistake by the bowler down the leg side region. Wide will be indicated, so one will be added to the additional scorecard. 34 is the victory target. Now still more, 33 more runs are required. Stamp time for a bigger shot, but a single have been taken down the offside region. A very good comeback by the bowler. Excellent piece of batting performance by Mr. JP Kaltur. So Dharma will have the third ball of this first over from the side of Mask Mabry. In comes to ball. Stamp straight away to the fielder, but misfield will cost 1 run. Misfield will cost 1 run here for the team Sahara BC Road. They will get one more to the additional scorecard. 3 on the board after completion of 3 balls of the first over. Mr. Dharma in comes to ball. The big man Mr. BC Road is on strike now, going to face the fourth ball of the first over. In comes to ball. Dharma round the wicket. Stamp! What a shot that was, but just a single to the additional scorecard. That was a losing delivery by Mr. Dharma, but Abi punished it away, but misses the line and length for the boundary line. Just a single will be added to the additional scorecard. With that single, score most up to 4 on the board after comes up 4 balls. Now 30 more runs are required from remaining 8 to ball. 8 to go, 30 to go. 34 is the victory target. For the loss of 1 wicket, they have scored 4 runs in the first 4 balls. Now 5th time in this over. In comes to bowl Mr. Dharma to Abid. Stamp. What a ball! Excellent bowling. One more to go. Excellent piece of bowling. 5 on the board after comes up 5 balls. What a delivery that was by Mr. Dharma. Excellent piece of bowling performance. So let's see what he is going to do with the last ball of the first over, where Dharma have been hit a huge 6 in the last ball of the first over while he was batting. Now BC Road, just a single to the additional scorecard. Just a single addition to the scorecard with that 6 on the board. After completion of first over, for the loss of a big wicket of Mr. Khalil Kandam Star, they have scored just 6 runs on the board, where they have scored 5 in the bat as well as 1 in the form of extra down the leg side region in the form of wide. So with that 6 on the board, now remaining 28 required from 6 to go, 28 to get. 6 ಪಂದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 28 runs ന്റെ ആവശ്യം സാറാ BC റോഡിനെ ഈ ടൂർണമെന്റിലെ ചാമ്പ്യൻ ആവാൻ. ചമ്മി പെരുന്നടുക്ക once again in the form of one of the another very good all-rounder. He comes to ball down the leg side, wide plus 1 is the declared by the umpire in the form of extra down the leg side region. With that 2 runs score have been one of the 8 on the board, 26 more runs squad. Stamp! What a delivery that was, but BC Road won the strike. That was a suicide by Mr. JP Kaltur. So with that wicket as well as a dot ball. Excellent comeback by the bowler Mr. Chemmi Mask Miprik vendi adimanoharamaya performance aanu ivade kaichavechukondirikkunnathu. So new man Mr. Apu BC Road going to join the partner Mr. Abi BC Road. Now 5 to go, 26 to get stamp time for the bigger one, but straight away to the fielder. A single have been taken with the wickets. Single more to the addition, and with that single score have been up to 9 on the board. With that, 3 balls completed, 10 on the board. Now 24 required from 3 balls. Mask Mipri team manager Ashraf Kalpare അഭിനന്ദിക്കുന്നു. അസ്രഫ് കൽപ്പാര ഇന്നലെ രാത്രി തൊട്ട് ഇതുവരെ ഉറങ്ങിയിട്ടില്ല. അസ്രഫ് കൽപ്പാരയ്ക്ക് അഭിനന്ദനങ്ങൾ. Bowled him, what a bowling! The man Apu walking back to the pavilion. Now 1 to go, 26 to get. Already 100% the match is in the side of Mask Mipri. They are the champions of this tournament. Yes, that is a 6 to end the innings. Mask Mipri is the champion of this Zaman Trophy 2021 as well as Sara BC Road. Hard luck for them, still done excellent performance. I request members of Sara BC Road please my point ലെത്തുക. സാറാ ബീച്ച് റോഡിന്റെ എല്ലാ മെമ്പേഴ്സും കമന്ററി ബോക്സിന്റെ മുമ്പിൽ വന്ന് നിൽക്കണമെന്ന് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് സമ്മാനദാനം ചടങ്ങ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ടൂർണമെന്റ് അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. സാറാ ബീച്ച് റോഡിന്റെ മെമ്പേഴ്സ് എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് കമന്ററി ബോക്സിന്റെ മുമ്പിൽ എത്തണമെന്ന് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. ആദ്യമായി ചെമ്മി പെരുന്നെടുക്ക കമന്ററി ബോക്സിൽ വരിക. 2 സിക്സറിന് 500 വീതം 1000 രൂപ ഇവിടെ സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു മിസ്റ്റർ ലത്തീഫ് മീപ്രി. 2 സിക്സിന് 1000 രൂപ സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു ലത്തീഫ് മീപ്രി. അത് അടിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ചെമ്മി പെരുന്നെടുക്കയാണ്. മാസ്ക് മീപ്രിക്ക് വേണ്ടി 2 സിക്സ്, മാസ്ക് മീപ്രിക്ക് വേണ്ടി 2 സിക്സ് അടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് പടുകൂറ്റൻ സിക്സ് അടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ചെമ്മി പെരുന്നെടുക്കക്ക് സമ്മാനമായി കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നു 1000 രൂപ. അതുപോലെ അടുത്തതായി വരിക ധർമ്മ മാസ്ക് മീപ്രി. ധർമ്മ അടിച്ച 1 സിക്സിന് 500 രൂപ ഇവിടെ സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ഇബ്രാഹിം കൽപ്പാറയാണ്. ധർമ്മ മാസ്ക് മീപ്രി ഇവിടെ വരിക. അദ്ദേഹം അടിച്ച ഒരു പടുകൂറ്റൻ സിക്സ്, അവസാന പന്തിൽ അടിച്ച പടുകൂറ്റൻ സിക്സ്, അതിനുള്ള സമ്മാനദാനമാണ് 500 രൂപ ക്യാഷ് അവാർഡ് അമീദ് മീപ്രി കൈമാറിയിരിക്കുന്നു. അതുപോലെ സാറാ ബീച്ച് റോഡിന്റെ മെമ്പേഴ്സ് എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇവിടെ വരിക. സാറാ ബീച്ച് റോഡ് ട്രോഫി വിതരണം എത്ര പെട്ടെന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യാം. സാറാ ബീച്ച് റോഡിന്റെ മെമ്പേഴ്സ് എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇവിടെ വരിക. സിയാദ് സമാൻ കൽപ്പാറ ഇതന്നെ മിസ്ബ അപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് പച്ചമ്പള. ഈ ട്രോഫി സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് മിസ്ബ അപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് പച്ചമ്പള. ഇത് കൊടുക്കാനായി മുഹമ്മദ് പച്ചമ്പളയെ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. അതുപോലെ ക്യാഷ് അവാർഡ് 11,000 രൂപ സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് സിയാ സിദ്ദീഖ്, ഹനീഫ്, ഷമീം, അഷ്റഫ്, ദില്ലു, സമാൻ കൽപ്പാറ. അതുപോലെ ഈ ടൂർണമെന്റിലെ ലൈവ് സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്ത സമാൻ കൽപ്പാറയുടെ മെമ്പേഴ്സായ ഷമീം കൽപ്പാറ, അഷ്റഫ് കൽപ്പാറ, ദില്ലു കൽപ്പാറയ്ക്ക് ഒരുപാട് നന്ദി അറിയിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു. ഒന്നും കൂടി ലൈവ് സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്ത ഈ ടൂർണമെന്റിൽ സമാൻ കൽപ്പാരയുടെ ടൂർണമെന്റിൽ ലൈവ് സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്ത വ്യക്തികൾക്കുള്ള ഒരുപാട് നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ഷമീം കൽപ്പാറ, അഷ്റഫ് കൽപ്പാറ, ദില്ലു കൽപ്പാറ.